I'm Anthony Santiago.
I'm Emily Burchwell, and this is Salty Jobs.
We're standing in front of Total Marine Solutions here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Established in 2000, Total Marine Solutions has over 20 years of expertise in supplying products and services to their clients to help solve environmental challenges.
Today we'll be looking at their digital tools like the Ocean Guardian to help diagnose issues. Then we'll head into the workshop to see which innovative solutions they have. So Anthony, are you ready to see some innovative solutions in action?
Absolutely, Emily. I can't wait to see all the technology and meet the people behind it.
Perfect. Let's head inside and check it out. I'm here with Jack, Technical Sales Representative at Total Marine Solutions. So Jack, how did you find your way over here to Total Marine Solutions, and what is it like working with the team?
Yep, so I found my way over here about a year ago, and very fortunate, and I would say it's a team mentality working here. It's a great company to work for, and we work together very well.
So Total Marine Solutions is all about solving environmental challenges with innovative solutions. What are some challenges that your clients tend to face?
Many it's with bilge water, so it's trying to get that cleaned so they can discharge it legally. We have a few different products that kind of fall into that category, and it's mainly about focusing on environmental solutions. So we're all about making it easier for our clients, but also for our environment.
So Jack, I see a lot of machines and technology around the facility. How is that used to solve client challenges?
So a lot of it's meant to work in harmony together. So everything's environmentally focused. We focus on the solutions that are needed on board to make our environment better and make the crew and livelihoods of everyone on board easier. So black water, gray water, oily water separators, food waste, we do it all, and it's all meant to make it easier for the client.
Well, that's interesting, Jack. Why don't we dive into one of the digital solutions with Ocean Guardian?
Sounds good, let's do it.
Jack and I went through the Ocean Guardian system to help us plan out a voyage. This system was developed by Total Marine Solutions in 2017 and is a digital tool to help a vessel's crew understand laws and regulation along their voyage. This paperless method helps make information quicker to access and compliance easier for the crew. We are able to find our vessel on the map and preview which regions we are going into. Then we can view their specific rules, such as discharge laws and marine protected areas. We can even open official documents to see the regulations. Using this tool, we're fully prepared to complete our voyage.
Kevin, the technical project manager here at Total Marine Solutions, has been showing me all the different machines they have here in the workshop. So Kevin, what are all these different machines, and what happens when a crew might not have them on the vessel? Will they run into any issues?
Right, so there are environmental requirements with MARPOL, and these are international requirements that require for a lot of these systems to be on board. We're helping them install and maintain these systems and also protect the environment.
All right, and with your role as a project manager, do you have to understand how every different machine works here?
Yeah, so specifically in my role, I have to know every bolt and every nut on every system, how it works forwards and backwards, how to take it apart, put it back together.
Wow, so it sounds like that could be a lot. With that role, are there any specific degrees or education that's required?
So I'm in the technical department. We're all engineers, so we all have bachelors of science in ocean engineering, but it's a lot of electrical and mechanical work. So we've worked with electrical engineers before, mechanical engineers, things like that.
I know today we're going to be working on this oily water separator. How often does this system need to be serviced?
So we do what's called a commissioning first when we sell the system, and that's a one-time thing. And then every year we go back to the ships to do what's called a preventive maintenance, and that's to, verify that the equipment is working okay and that nothing's breaking.
All right, well, why don't we get started on this one? Kevin started by showing me the oily water separator. This product cleans bilge water collected on a vessel so it can be discharged properly. First, we need to calibrate the unit by mixing and depositing the calibration solution. This causes the parts per million to rise. We then check the flocculation tank, which causes particles in the water to clump together so they can be separated. We took a sample and confirmed filtration was working properly. Once fully filtered, the parts per million of the water will be below 5 and good to discharge. Total Marine Solutions has the solutions for any issues you have with compliance. Whether it's sanitary systems, water management, or even digital options, they have it all.
So Jack, I see a lot of Marines. There's your blooper.
Bloopers.
And as far as your role goes, what type of education and degrees is Total Marine